If time is of the essence, this is for you, because my team and I have created 3 turnkey programs that you then get to sell. I'm going to even give you my selling system, and all this is happening inside the Restoration Collaboration. Now, pay attention, because these 3 programs are in 3 niches that are unclaimed: whole body healing, mold detox, and brain rejuvenation. Now, they're not just going to show up to your patients or clients in a bunch of bottles in which they have to sort through. These are going to come turnkey. Now, we are here at the secret location, let's just say that, where we have built protocols for our 3 programs that will come in these. This is the magic machine. Here's the box it will arrive in. All 90-day supplements will come in this box. All they have to do is roll it out, consume it, roll it, consume it, roll it, consume it. Very easy for your clients to use, very easy for you to sell. Now, how do you get access to all of this? Well, it's inside the Restoration Collaboration. Go check it out at bloodworkspecialist.com/collaboration, and I'll chat with you soon.